Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The first topic was addition reactions. This is a course outline of addition reactions, electrophile, nucleophile, electrophilic addition to carbon double bond carbon, electrophilic addition of hydrogen halides, mechanism, electrophilic addition of hydrogen halides, mechanism, Markovnikov rule, anti-Markovnikov rule, electrophilic addition of halogens to carbon double bond carbon, mechanism, stereospecific reaction, electrophilic addition to conjugated dienes, nucleophilic addition to carbon double bond carbon, nucleophilic addition to carbon double bond carbon, hydrogen cyanide addition, alcohol addition, acetal formation, uh, and addition of water, derivatives of ammonia, imine and amine formation. This is the whole course outline. Electrophilic addition to carbon double bond carbon, we have discussed. Alkene generally give electrophilic additions. Molecules are added in alkene because it acts as a nucleophile, so electrophile will be added. With attack on the electrophile, first electrophile will be added. Electrophilic addition was given by alkene. Electrophilic addition of hydrogen halides to carbon double bond carbon. We have discussed hydrogen halide addition. First step is slow nucleophile attack on the electrophile. The slow reaction, carboniamine will be obtained. In second step, the nucleophile attached with the electrophilic carbon. So two-step mechanism. Alkyl halide, two-step mechanism. The stereochemistry of in this reaction, alkene, and this is hydrogen halide. This carboniamine is planar. Two-side attack is possible, bottom side and top side and bottom side. So distereomer. If the stereo center R, it may be R and S. R R R S. So distereomers will be obtained regarding the stereochemistry of the two carbons. This is the stereogenic center. Stereogenic center before reaction. It is not chiral, but after the reaction, it is chiral. So it has only one stereo center, two side attacks, so enantiomers are obtained racemic mixture. We have discussed three options: same compound, enantiomers, and diastereomers. Two compound, you will compare all the chiral carbons, R R R R S S. All stereochemistry is same, it means same compound. Enantiomer means all stereo centers have opposite absolute configuration R S S R R S. Opposite configuration, it means enantiomers. Diastereomers means some chiral centers have same absolute configuration and some have different opposite absolute configuration. R and R same, S S same, S are opposite. So this combination is called diastereomers. Markovnikov rule. Different options: symmetrical keen reaction with non-polar molecule, symmetrical keen polar molecule, unsymmetrical keen non-polar molecule. The fourth one, unsymmetric keen and polar molecule. Here Markovnikov rule will be applied. This is unsymmetric molecule and this is polar molecule. The negative part will be attached with that carbon which has least number of hydrogen here. But this bromide attached with this carbon, this one. So this is the major product and this is minor product. This is the Markovnikov's product. This is the mechanism. And in other words, you can say Stable, according to Markovnikov rule, stable carbonyamine will be obtained. Yes, there are two options. This is secondary carbonyamine and this is primary carbonyamine. Secondary carbonyamine and primary. The secondary carbonyamine is from same one. The bromide will be attached with this carbon. An exception to Markovnikov rule. Exception means anti-Markovnikov addition. If you are using peroxide, this is peroxide, then anti-Markovnikov rule will be applied. Anti-Markovnikov product, meaning opposite of Markovnikov product, anti-Markovnikov product will be obtained as a major product. This is the mechanism. The mechanism is in Markovnikov addition, polar mechanism. Carbonyamine will be obtained. Stable carbonyamine will be obtained, but anti-Markovnikov addition radical mechanism. Stable radical will be obtained. This is peroxide radical will be obtained. This RO HBr, this Br first added, and this is the secondary. Br will be attached with this carbon because secondary free radical more stable as compared to primary. So hydrogen will be attached with this carbon and bromide will be attached with the terminal carbon. So opposite product will be obtained. Electrophilic addition of halogens. Next था हमारा electrophilic addition of halogens to carbon double bond. Carbon alkene react with chlorine and bromine in non-nucleophilic solvents to form vicinal dihalides. Chlorine दोनों तरफ अटैच हो जाते हैं. ये भी आ गया, ब्रोमीन भी आ गया. मैकेनिज्म क्या है? मैकेनिज्म ये है कि ब्रोमाइन, ये जो ब्रोमीन है ये नॉन पोलर है, बट व्हेन कम टू क्लोज टू द पाई बॉन्ड ड्यू टू इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी इट विल बी पोलराइज. जो दूर वाला पार्ट है वो नेगेटिव और करीब वाला पॉजिटिव. देन द ब्रिज इंटरमीडिएट विल बी फॉर्म. दिस इज द ब्रिज इंटरमीडिएट. Bromide ion will can attack in the second step. Bromide can be attacked on this carbon and this carbon. So there are two uh, product will be obtained regarding the stereochemistry. And opposite direction of 2 bromide means vicinal dibromide and anti addition. एंटी अपोजिट साइड पे एडिशन हो रही है, विसिनल डाइब्रोमाइड है और स्टीरियोकेमिस्ट्री भी डिफरेंट होगी. दिस इज द एग्जांपल. bromide, the stereochemistry different to this is a racemic mixture. Enantiomers will be obtained. Stereospecific reaction. This is the example of stereospecific reaction. यहाँ stereospecific reactions क्या हैं? Regarding the stereochemistry, regarding the mechanism, you can predict the stereochemistry of the product. प्रोडक्ट की स्टीरियोकेमिस्ट्री आप बता सकते हैं मैकेनिज्म को सामने रख के. अब यहाँ हमारे पास ट्रांस ट्यूब्यूटीन है. ट्रांस ट्यूब्यूटीन रिएक्ट विद ब्रोमीन. जब ब्रोमीन के साथ रिएक्शन होता है तो एक मेसो कंपाउंड बनता है, मेसो कंपाउंड. एंड सिस ट्यूब्यूटीन के साथ आपको रैसिमिक मिक्सचर बनता है, यानी दोनों आर होते हैं और दोनों एस होते हैं, एक रैसिमिक मिक्सचर बनता है और यहाँ पे मेसो कंपाउंड बनता है. तो ट्रांस से मेसो कंपाउंड, सिस से रैसिमिक मिक्सचर. दिस इज द मैकेनिज्म. सिस एल्कीन से आपको रैसिमिक मिक्सचर मिल रहा है और ट्रांस से आपको मेसो कंपाउंड मिल रहा है. इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एडिशन टू कॉन्जुगेटेड डाइन्स. कॉन्जुगेटेड डाइन्स जो हैं इसमें भी इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एडिशन होती हैं. 1,4 और 1,6 एडिशन होती हैं. दिस इज द कॉन्जुगेटेड डाइन, दिस इज कॉन्जुगेटेड डाइन. दे आर नॉन कॉन्जुगेटेड डाइन्स. ये देखिए यहाँ ये आपके पास है तो ये 1,2 एडिशन हो रही है और ये 1,4 एडिशन, ये हमने पढ़ा था. 1,4 एडिशन है, 1,2 एडिशन डिपेंड्स ऑन द सब्सटेंस. जो आपके पास सब्सटेंस बहुत बड़ा है जो रिएक्शन करने जा रहा है तो 1,4 पे स्टेबल होगा साइड में लगकर, और 1,2 पे छोटा जो मॉलिक्यूल है वो स्टेबल होगा. ये इसका मैच है. 1,2 एडिशन हाइड्रोजन हेलोजन एसिड के साथ भी हो सकती है. 1,2 1,4 एडिशन हेलोजन्स के साथ भी हो सकती है, दोनों के साथ हो सकती है. उसके बाद था न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन टू कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड कार्बन. यूजुअली जो कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड कार्बन है दे गिव इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एडिशन, बट समटाइम दे, बट रेयर, not usual, nucleophilic addition is possible if electron withdrawing groups are present with the carbon double bond carbon. So they are the electron withdrawing group. If These group will be attached with the carbon double bond carbon in conjugation, then nucleophilic addition will be possible. This is the example nucleophile attack on this carbon due to why? Because electron withdrawing group is attached with this in the conjugation with carbon double bond carbon, and this negative abstract H plus. So this is the product. This is another example nucleophile attack on this carbon due to this electron withdrawing group. Michael reaction is the very common example of nucleophilic addition to carbon double bond carbon because carbon double carbon is attached with the electron withdrawing group. So this is the methoxy group. Methoxy group abstract proton, and this is the nucleophile carbon inorelate anion carbon which has negative charge. This is the nucleophile which is used in Michael reaction, and this is alkene, conjugated alkene electron withdrawing group is present. This is this nucleophile attack on this carbon, and so Michael addition will be taking place. The second topic, nucleophilic addition to carbon double bond part. This is the first topic, electrophilic addition to carbon double bond carbon, nucleophilic addition to carbon double bond carbon, and third one is nucleophilic addition to carbon double bond oxygen. The structure and reactivity of carbonyl group. Aldehyde are more reactive than ketone because sterically and electronically, and it has two phases for attack. Nucleophile can attack on two phases, V phase and psi phase, top phase and bottom phase, so V and psi phases. So in result, R and S compound will be obtained as a racemic mixture. Addition of hydrogen cyanide, R and S, two compound will be obtained. Addition of alcohol. Alcohol addition, if one molecule is added, hemiacetal is formed, and two molecules are added, acetal form. So acid and base catalyze acetal formation, and cyclic acetals are more stable than acyclic acetals. They are used as a protecting group. Acetal formation in presence of acidic medium, alcohol, two molecules are added, is hemiacetal, one OR, and again the second molecule OH is converted into OR. This is acetal formation. Addition of bisulfite, addition of water, the water is added, the hydrate will be obtained, and by distillation again you will obtain aldehyde. Addition of derivatives of ammonia, primary amine, hydroxylamine, hydrazine, phenylhydrazine, 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine, semicarbazide, 2-degree amine, 3-degree amine. Hydroxylamine reaction with carbon and nitrogen, and first addition, then dehydration, so condensation product, condensed product, oxime, E and Z. Hydrazine, hydrazone, phenylhydrazine is converted to phenylhydrazone, and 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine convert to 4-dinitrophenylhydrazone. Semicarbazide is converted into semicarbazone. Imine formation, carbonyl compound and 1-degree amine. They react in presence of acidic medium, imine, E and Z isomers. Anamine, a carbonyl compound in which alpha hydrogen is present, react with secondary amine, then anamine is obtained. They are the intermediates, and they are the protecting group for carbonyl compounds. जी, ये थोड़ा सा एक एडिशनल रिएक्शंस की कुछ स्लाइड्स इंपॉर्टेंट मैंने आप लोगों से डिस्कस कर ली. कोई बात पूछनी है यहाँ तक? इसको अच्छी तरह आप लोग देख लें. नेक्स्ट टाइम
सर
इंशाल्लाह
क्लियर है.
9 है, उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा शॉर्ट हम एक समरी डिस्कस कर लेंगे. उसके बाद कल का एग्जाम के पार्टिकल्स से डिस्कस कर लेंगे इंशाल्लाह. ठीक है जी.
ओके सर.
ओके जी, अल्लाह हाफिज़.
ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़ सर.